Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is my coffee bar cleaning and decorating video. I just seriously needed to scrub the coffee bar area, reorganize, refresh some of the items that we have there, and that's what I'm doing in this video. I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining Freddie King's home decor team. And I always like to give a shout out to the subscribers who have been supporting me for many, many years now. What you see me doing is cleaning and restocking the coffee bar space. I've had the Nespresso machine for many, many years, but for whatever reason, I stopped using it. My son gifted me the glass case enclosure and also the pods. So what you see me doing here is just organizing the different flavors so that they will be readily available or easily accessible when I complete the coffee bar. Again, I want to thank you for continuing to watch this video. If you are not one of my subscribers, please click your subscribe button. Make sure you click notifications all so you too will be notified each time I upload a video. It's a very nice day. You can kind of see over my left shoulder the sun is shining bright. We're just doing a little cleaning in the house, and the coffee bar is where I decided to start, at least for today. So I'm going to just keep putting things in place. Please continue watching the video. I'm down to the last few details, and as you can see, it's a small space, but it has everything that it needs. I'm just adding the carry-out cups for coffee on the go. And with that, here's the big reveal. Thank you for watching this video to the end. And again, if you are not one of my subscribers, click your subscribe button and your notification bell. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.